Ever felt like your money just disappears? One minute you're getting paid, the next it's gone without a trace? You're not alone. We all struggle with our finances at times. But what if there was a system, a method, to finally take control? Today, we're diving deep into YNAB, and no, it's not some alien language. Stick around, and you might just find the financial freedom you've been searching for. Let's be real, personal finance can feel overwhelming. Bills piling up, unexpected expenses popping out of nowhere, and that constant nagging feeling that you're never going to get ahead. It's enough to make anyone want to bury their head in the sand and pretend their bank account doesn't exist. But what if I told you there's a way to escape this cycle of financial stress? Enter YNAB. Now, before you start singing along to some catchy jingle, let's clear things up. YNAB is not an acronym for some catchy pop song. It stands for You Need a Budget. And trust me, you really do. YNAB isn't just about tracking your spending. It's a complete overhaul of how you think about and manage your money. At its heart, YNAB is based on 4 simple yet powerful rules. Give every dollar a job. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just letting your money sit in your account, you assign a specific purpose to every single dollar you earn. Rent, groceries, entertainment, that much-needed vacation, every dollar gets a job. Embrace your reality. YNAB encourages you to face your current financial situation head-on. No sugarcoating, no burying your head in the sand. Acknowledge your debts, your savings goals, and all your expenses, both big and small. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected car repairs, medical emergencies, those surprise birthday parties, things happen. YNAB helps you adjust and reallocate your funds when the unexpected arises. Age your money. This rule is all about giving your money time to work for you. By assigning jobs to your dollars and prioritizing your spending, you ensure your money is working towards your goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or simply building an emergency fund. So, what are the real-world benefits of using YNAB? Reduced stress. By taking control of your finances, you eliminate that constant anxiety about money. Increased savings. By giving every dollar a job, you're more likely to save consistently and reach your financial goals faster. Reduced debt. YNAB provides a clear roadmap for tackling debt, whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or anything else. Improved financial confidence. YNAB empowers you to make informed financial decisions and take control of your money. Ready to give YNAB a try? Start with a free trial. YNAB offers a free 34-day trial so you can experience the power of the system firsthand. Gather your financial information. Before you dive in, gather all your bank statements, credit card bills, and any other relevant financial documents. Start simple. Don't try to do everything at once. Begin by tracking your spending for a week or 2, then gradually incorporate the other YNAB principles. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to change your financial habits. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stick with it, and you'll start to see real progress. YNAB is not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By taking control of your money and making conscious spending decisions, you can finally break free from the cycle of financial stress and build a brighter future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.